Ambunge aya Chachu Nganya wa North Horr na murunawe wa Saku Ali Rasso marokire kurugamio bao-ini Igooti inene guku Nairobi makigiritanio na mahitia ma gucogera ngui kaunti-ini ya Marsabit iria icungiririe ikuo cia andu 14 nginyagia riu. Mwena wa thitango ukineana ihoya riao mbere ya mucirithania Kennedy Cheruyot makiendekithia ambunge aya aria maraikirio ngono ni maabitha a DCI muthenya wa ira mahingirwo thikũ ingĩ 21 niguo uthuthuria urike.
We pray that this court exercises this discretionary power, Your Honor, and grant us the 21 days to allow us to conclude our investigation.
Nĩ ihoya mawakiri ya ambunge aya mareganire narĩo makiuga kũringana na maratathi marĩa mwena wa thitango ũneanire mbere ya Igooti hamwe na gũkorwo na ũhoro ũtarĩ wa ma itũmi iria maheanĩte itirĩ na mũthingi.
The prosecution does not even know the member of parliament they have arraigned before the court. They have described the respondent as the member for sure. I want to state with certainty, Your Honor, that there is no constituency in this republic called sure. And the respondent is not the member for parliament for sure.
There's absolutely nothing that has been said of the suspect before you that would lead court to apprehension, to the apprehension that he is responsible for the security situation in Marsabit.
Cikaro cia kuheana itua ria kana nimekuheo mbundi igitiririo nginyagia mathaini ma miaraho undu uri utanekeka nginyagia mathaini ma hwaini kuria jaji uyu augire ndanona itumi njiganu cia guthie na mbere kumahingira na uguo amarekia na mbundi.
There is therefore no reason to deny the accused, the respondents bail or bond. Accordingly, therefore, I admit the respondents and arrested persons to bail and bond in the following terms and conditions in the respective files. Each bond 1 million shillings, cash bail 250,000 shillings.
No na kuri uguo Igooti ni riathite atongoria aya eri kuhuraga riboti rita rimwe hari kiumia wabici-ini cia ruhonge rwa DCI. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.